Hey there, Amy Singleton here. I'm going to show you how to get your review link from your Google Business Profile. Some of you may still be managing from here where you can see Business Profile Manager. If you can still see that, that's great. Go ahead and click on there and navigate over to your business that you own or that you manage. There'll probably only be one there. If you don't have that, just go to maps.google.com and type in the name of your business, which I will show you here. There's my business. If you are the manager of that business, it will allow you to click Manage Your Business Profile. And that will bring you to the same place that this other link brings you. Once you get there, go over to Read Reviews and click the button Get More Reviews. When you click there, this will give you your review link, which when you copy that, you can paste into our spreadsheet. And that would be the link that you want to share with anyone that you would like to leave your business a review, because it takes them directly to the place where those 5 stars pop up like this, instead of just to your listing. And when you own the business, you're the one that has access to that link. Hope this is helpful. Add your link to the spreadsheet and let's give everyone a great 5-star review. Remember, when you're leaving that review, incorporate keywords, and especially photos if you're able to, keywords, locations about their product, about the location they serve or that they're in. And if you have photos of any of their products or that might be related to their business, add those as well, because Google cares. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.